Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am here at Seven Hills for a Seven Hills afternoon peak vlog. It's been raining quite obviously, so something sort of different for these videos. Arriving into platform number 4 we have Waratah set A42 and it is a Richmond service. Central service arriving into platform number 1, A44. Some kids playing with the doors. Only in the afternoon peak. Funny you have people run and scream for the train like it's the only train of the day. People don't realise that this is Seven Hills Station, not Broken Hill. I didn't get the front 4 cars, but the rear 4 cars, T58. And by the looks of things, yep, A44 is finally departing. And there goes V35, proving that Waratahs will not win. Penrith trains will not be stopping here between 4:16 PM and probably around 6 or 7 PM, I think. V30 was the rear 4 cars of that V set. Not too sure what the front 4 were. Starting to rain a little bit heavy. We've got an Oscar about to fly through platform number 2. H2 and H27.
Does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
We've got K98 departing for Blacktown, stopping at Blacktown only. The front 2 cars of K98 used to be K2 and the rear 2 cars of K98 used to be K1. K1 and K2 as well as K3 and K4 were 2 carriage K-sets and they ran the Newcastle to Morisset local shuttle services with also a service in the afternoon peak on a weekday running down to Gosford. V18 Citybound, just past platform 2. Now on platform number 1 we have an S set. 8 cars by the looks of things. I'm not too sure where it's going though.
Customers are advised that Penrith trains are not stopping at Seven Hills between 4:16 p.m. and 5:43 p.m. Please change at Blacktown for Penrith line services during this time.
Anyway, S137 was the front 4 cars of that S set, and the rear 4 cars didn't have a set plate, but one of the motor car numbers were C3955, which I'm pretty sure that's on an S66. And yeah, I thought I'd just let that announcement play for you guys, so you could hear it. Arriving on platform 4 we have a Tangara. This is a Blacktown only service. Front 4 cars, T93. And the rear 4 cars, T71. H52 and H9. I just missed a Tangara passing platform number 3 and it was flying. Well, it was on the tracks, but it was going really fast. That's what I meant. V7 and V38 headed towards the Blue Mountains. Now we've got a Citybound Tangara arriving into platform 1, the front 4 cars, T74. I just heard the announcement, it is a Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Hornsby service now departing. And I'm not too sure what the rear 4 cars are, but the trailing car number is D6238, which I'm pretty sure is T50 something, maybe. Waratah arriving on platform 4, Richmond service, train stop at Blacktown, Marryong, and then all stations to Richmond. A16. We've got a Tangara arriving alongside platform number 1. T71's leading. Fun fact about T71, it has one of the spare Tangara carriages, Tangara driving trailers. The carriage number is D6288 and it is the leading carriage on this set. And it so happens to be the youngest Tangara in service, I'm pretty sure, because it entered service after the final spare driving trailer 6289, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Not too sure what the other half was though. T75 and T65 through platform 3. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap this vlog up and I'm going to start another Seven Hills vlog, just a Seven Hills night vlog, just to break it up a little bit because this one's going for over 10 minutes now. So, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in the Seven Hills night vlog. Bye for now.